Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you transfer Skype account to another Microsoft account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Microsoft doesn't allow direct transfers of Skype account from one Microsoft to another. So what you can do is use option 1, that is to link Skype to a new Microsoft account if not already linked. If your Skype account was created before Microsoft required linking with a Microsoft account, you can link it to a different Microsoft account. However, if your Skype is already linked, you cannot transfer it. And then option 2 is to change your primary email of your Microsoft account. So to do that, head over and open up your browser, and then on the search bar type in account.microsoft.com. Now once you are inside there, you'll be seeing something like this on your screen. Now once logged in, what you need to do is tap on the 3 horizontal bar on the top left, and once you tap in, you'll be seeing an option that says your info right here. Simply tap on that, and now on tapping it, you'll be sent to your account section. Now all you gotta do is scroll down, and then under account info, tap on edit account info. And now once you tap on it, all you gotta do is add the new email address, the one linked to your desired Microsoft account, make it primary email, and remove the old one. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.